Hey, what's up? Welcome again to my channel. I'm Vintage Rider. Hit the intro. Yeah, so today I'm riding on this road called Estrada dos Romeiros. It's a road close to São Paulo. I love to ride here. It's a beautiful place. Just kidding, but it's a shorter version of our Day of the Dragon. A beautiful place to ride. A lot of trees, beautiful scene. And recently I uploaded a video in Portuguese talking about how I started riding motorcycles. I just started riding motorcycles when I was 39 and 40 years old. Some say it's late. I'm not sure. I think I started at the right time. I have ridden motorcycles before when I was younger, but I only took my license when I was 39, 40 years old. So that's when I bought my first motorcycle. It was a Triumph Truckstone 900, 2015 I think, or 2014, I don't remember. And I have some videos here in the channel. And after a while I decided to buy a new bike. I bought a small Suzuki Intruder 125 just to practice how to build a custom bike. And I built a bobber one. I love this road. And so then I sold the Intruder to a guy that was looking for his first motorcycle, and he got a very nice bike for him. I kept the Truckstone, and I bought a Yamaha Dragstar or XVS 650. This is the Yamaha that I have today, that I turned into a bobber. And after a while I sold my Truckstone to buy this softail. So I finally got my Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe 2008. It was a flat gray, standard handlebars, all standard. So I changed. I did a paint job. I changed the handlebars. This is a 15 inches curve AP hanger, and so that's it. That's how I got into motorcycle world. I am part of a motorcycle club called Filhos da Viúva Motorcycle Club. In English it will be Widow Sons. I know that in many parts of the world, including Brazil, we have the Widow Sons, but they're not a motorcycle club, and we are not affiliated or related to them. We just belong to the same order, and we ride motorcycles. And it's really good to be part of a motorcycle club as well. All the camaraderie and the brotherhood that we have. Look at this. How fun is it, huh? Very good, very good. I love this place. I love it here. I love riding here. The most important thing here is have fun, ride safe. Think about everyone that's waiting for you to be back home after you ride. So ride safe, take care, and have fun. Have fun. Motorcycle is something that I was talking to a friend the other day. It's my therapy. especially on these times that we're facing this social distancing and all this stuff, staying home. It's very important to have this time to relax and have your mind focus on other things that not problems. Alright, very short video today, and thank you very much for joining. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. I'm really trying to expand and get the videos outside Brazil, so I really appreciate if you could share and talk to your friends. Alright, thank you very much. Have a good week. Take care, ride safe. See you. Bye.